Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, the 20th of December. I'm James Spann. A good soaking coming up for the state over the weekend, especially tomorrow night and Sunday, and then the weather turns pretty pleasant for Christmas week. Let's take a look at things this afternoon. There's the upper air look across the country, a big trough coming down into Texas. That'll be spinning up a surface low in the Gulf of Mexico this weekend. Got high cirrus clouds over Alabama this afternoon. Thicker clouds back off to the west. Clouds will increase tonight, but the weather today not that bad. And temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s. Feels pretty good. Birmingham 58, Anniston 58, Tuscaloosa 56. Coldest air in the country way up north. They're way below freezing over parts of Minnesota, the Dakotas, and also New England. And for us, we'll stay cool this weekend with highs in the low 50s tomorrow and Sunday with clouds and rain. There's the watch warning map. A very quiet day today. No thunderstorms across the country through tonight. Pretty much the same thing tomorrow. Maybe some thunder for Tampa Bay, Fort Myers, Miami. And down in the same zone down there, a marginal risk of severe storms on day 3, which is Sunday, with that system coming out of the Gulf. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. Big numbers of the upper Pacific coast and right here in the southeast. That yellow patch down in southeast Alabama suggesting rain amounts there could exceed 4 inches. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden 1 to 2 inches. Lighter amounts over the Tennessee Valley. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Pretty good little trough just to the west. Trough develops in the Gulf, a surface trough, and moisture increases steadily during the day. Let's take a look at the high-res NAM. This is at noon. And you can see at that point most of the rain should be over the southern half of the state. There might be a few sprinkles to the north, but at that point the better chance of rain to the south. By midnight tomorrow night, everybody goes wet as the surface low intensifies. This is 6 a.m. Sunday, just a large, massive rain over the state. Heavier rain for the southern part of the state. Some strong storms in the Gulf, but again for Alabama, we'll be in a cool, stable air mass. No severe weather worries. Then by 6 o'clock Sunday evening, a dry slot begins to work in from the south and west, but still rain should be ongoing over parts of east and north Alabama at that point if this verifies. Here's the synoptic scale look on Sunday. Broad surface low over Appalachia Bay, and that's a really good rain producer. And goodness gracious, if this were January and a cold air mass was in place, that'd be a really good snow setup. But it's not. It's December, and it's just going to be a cold rain. Monday, there could be some lingering rain on the eastern side of the state Monday morning. The latest guidance a little slower in getting this thing out of here. But we'll forecast a clearing sky Monday with highs in the upper 50s. Tuesday should be a bright sunny day, Christmas Eve. Highs mid to upper 60s. South Alabama could see 70. Better chance of snow falling. Christmas Eve night would be out west, the mountains. Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Nevada. Christmas Day. Again, for us, dry, very mild. Highs well up in the 60s. 70s are possible for South Alabama. And again, snow out west. Thursday, day after Christmas. Moisture begins to creep back up in here. We think the day will still be dry. And this is a week from today. Pretty good trough to the west. And this is suggesting a surface low near St. Louis with rain creeping in here. But the European says not so fast. It's dry as a bone. So there's great uncertainty out here in terms of what happens at the end of next week. We'll go out 10 days. We'll stick with the European solution. This is valid Monday the 30th. Got a nor'easter-looking thing up in around Boston with snow and rain there and wind. And for us, that looks considerably colder, but dry. Here's a rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. This is valid through the next 15 days into early January. The mean between 3 and 4 inches. And the numbers next week, 60s on the board. Very comfortable for Christmas Day. But after that, they trend down. Turning sharply colder, looks like about the time we get into the new year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be December 30th. I'll be off on vacation next week, but we'll have folks filling in with daily weather videos. So if you can, watch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a Merry Christmas and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.